Right guys, welcome back to another video from SpottersUK. Today we are at London Waterloo East, and in this video you'll be seeing services by Southeastern. The first train to leave there was a Southeastern service bound for Sevenoaks, and this service is bound for London Charing Cross. I'm not here for very long, I'm only here for around another 10 minutes, but I'll film what comes in and out. So, let's see what shall turn up here at London Waterloo East as this service is ready to depart. With 465043 on the rear. Next train to arrive in is 465917 on a Southeastern service bound for Hayes. Next train in is the 1143 Southeastern service to Sandwich via Ashford International. 475822 on the front. 375, sorry, I didn't mean to say 4. As we have the Southeastern service for Hayes departing as well. Four 66033 on the rear, did not manage to get the middle carriage, I do apologise. This train's departure board says it's heading to Ramsgate. I don't know why the actual departure board says Sandwich. This is 375822 on the 1143. Lovely tones from the driver. That whistle. And a nice thumbs up as well. $375,802 on the rear of that service, and it appears we have an 375 arriving in as well, in the distance. It sounds like there's something behind me to my left. Here comes the 375 bound for Charing Cross. 375 815 on the front, and we have a 376 to my left. On the rear of this service. Next train to depart is the 376. Didn't quite get a look where it was going. 376 004 on the rear. Didn't get I'm not sure where that's going. This is probably going to be where my video ends with the next clip, which, well, we got 375 620 leaving for London Charing Cross, and the next train in will be my service, which is the 11:48 service to Hastings. The next station I will be visiting is Orpington, somewhere I've never filmed at or visited before, so I'm rather looking forward to that. So there's the pair of 375s leaving for London Charing Cross. If you have enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. A link to all my social media platforms will be in the in the description down below. Feel free to leave a comment on any stations you'd like to see in the future. And yeah, I'll leave you with my service, which is the 11:48 service, which is arriving in now, bound for Hastings. And the 375 706 on the front. Thanks for watching, guys.